Friday the 18th, we're working at Kevin's. We're going to do a test ride on this bike. Right now he's going to stroke on it and get it running, and then we'll take it outside. All right, we're doing this in real time. Let's see how it goes. One kicky wicky, two kicky wicky. Ah, heard a pop. Four kickies.
She just likes a lot of tickle.
Does it?
Yeah.
All right.
There we go.
That's a very nice idle. I hear him coming. Sounding good. Sounding good. All right, we're back from the test ride. Kevin, what do you think?
She's good to go. She's
Is that right?
Beautiful. Oh yeah, accelerates nicely, drops into idle nicely when you come to a stop. Gosh, the gear shift is smooth. Again, let up and then but just smooth. The only thing I want to do is tighten up that rear brake just a smidgen, and that's my thing. It may or may not be the others. No, she's good to go.
Is that a is that a 4-speed or a 5?
4-speed. Yeah.
4-speed.
Yeah.
Isn't that a
Just beautiful.
cute little bike?
Yeah, and runs like a top. I mean,
Right.
she's a good bike.
So basically, this bike, the last time it was tagged was 2009, and it sat for a long time. Kevin did a whole lot of go-through on this bike, basically tender loving care on setting the valves, changing the oil, setting the timing.
We put in electronic ignition.
Electronic ignition, and then we got under the tank and under the seat, and a lot of wiring was, let's say, not pretty. So we simplified the electrical system a lot.
Yeah.
And put it back together, and it's just a sweet little bike. I love a single carb bike. I do.
I agree. This just, it goes, it's so much simpler than 2 carbs, and I don't see any appreciable difference. I guess at the top end,
At
maybe?
the top end, a few miles an hour, I swear.
Yeah. I mean, I wouldn't be taking this thing to 100 mile an hour anyway.
No. Okay, so good to go. You're going to let the client know.
Let the client know.
There you go. Good day. Good day.
Absolutely.